As promised, guys, here are the 15 sales knowledge to a successful business or sales career. The first thing that you will be learning about is empathy, followed by persona, customer journey, value creation, niche selection, marketing psychology, business lead power, body proxemics, copywriting, sales offer, consumer buying process, customer relationship, confidence, planning, and of course, you will learn how to create advanced sales strategies based on those 15 knowledge that I will share with you. All right, so it's important that you follow the entire courses so that you do not miss any step in the process. Why? Because this course was designed on the premises of a process. We will start from the problem and we will find the solutions or solution to the problems. Also, this course is a complete sales course. All right, so you will learn about how to sell from business to customers and business to business. And lastly, we will look into how to sell using digital marketing. In other words, you will learn how to incorporate all those 15 knowledge into your sales strategies to give yourself a very powerful chance to win and succeed in this career. For the next class, we will be looking into the 2 bad sales mistakes that need fixing now. So it's important that you join the next class because you will be exposed to the most dangerous mistakes that needs to be fixed now if you want to grow your sales career or your company's revenue. Now that we are at the end, thank you for joining. Watch this next video to further improve your sales knowledge and skills for your best chances to succeed in your career. See you in the next class.